A new digital tyre gauge is available. But why is this small tool a massive wake-up call for UK drivers? At 70 mph in the wet, worn tyres impact your stopping distance 7 times more than being at the legal alcohol limit. The difference between a 3 mm tyre and the legal limit can add 44% to your wet braking distance. And if that doesn't stop you, a potential 10k fine for 4 illegal tyres certainly will. Next, we expose the hidden numbers governing your safety and license and reveal how you can take control. So, what is the actual law in the UK? The legal minimum tread depth is 1.6 mm across the central 3/4 of the tyre. But the law is not a measure of safety. Experts advise you replace tyres at 3 mm for dependable performance in the rain. Ignoring this advice is common. Tyres are a top reason for MOT failures, with over 2 million vehicles failing each year. Think about this. A new tyre has about 8 mm of tread. This means over 6 mm wears away before you even hit the legal minimum. How big is the problem? Millions of illegal or poorly maintained tyres are on UK roads at this very moment. But why does a few millimeters of rubber matter so much? It comes down to one terrifying phenomenon: aquaplaning. Your tyre's grooves are designed to pump water away from the contact patch, keeping the rubber physically touching the road. As tread wears down, these channels become too shallow. They can't clear water fast enough, creating a wedge of water underneath. At that point, your steering and brakes do nothing. You are a passenger until the car finds grip, often with terrible results. This lack of grip doesn't just challenge your skill. It actively sabotages your car's advanced safety systems like ABS and AEB. They depend completely on the tyre's ability to hold the road. So beyond safety, what are the other hidden costs? The human cost. Over 150 people are killed or seriously injured every year in the UK from defective tyres. The financial cost. Crash with illegal tyres and your insurer can reject the claim, leaving you liable for everything. The daily cost. Worn tyres increase rolling resistance, cutting your fuel efficiency by up to 10%. You pay for it at the pump. The consequences are severe. So, how do most drivers check their tyres? And is that method good enough? Many people still depend on the 20p test. It's a familiar shortcut, but it's dangerously imprecise. The coin only gives a rough pass or fail indication. It can't tell you the difference between legal and illegal. The problem gets worse because tyres rarely wear evenly. Bad alignment or pressure can destroy one edge while the other looks fine. A single 20p check could easily miss an illegal inner shoulder. The law demands 1.6 mm across the entire central band. We've seen how bad tyres defeat your car's technology and cost you money, and how old checks are failing us. This is where precision matters. A digital gauge solves this. It gives a precise measurement, often to 0.1 mm, replacing a vague guess with a hard number. Its small probe lets you take multiple readings across the tyre's width, finding the hidden danger of uneven wear. Now, let's connect all this with the single most significant fact. In fatal accidents from tyre defects, 75% are due to a lack of maintenance. Let that register. We began with tyres being 7 times more dangerous than drunk driving. Now we see this danger isn't random, it's preventable. The risks are immense, legal, financial, and fatal. The cause is often simple neglect. An accurate tool is the only real barrier against that. The connection is undeniable. So what can you do? You can finally take firm control of the numbers that matter. We've seen the shocking stopping distances, the career-ending fines, and the safety systems rendered useless by worn rubber. Compact, affordable digital gauges remove any remaining excuse. Precision is no longer just for professionals. Don't guess about your safety. Don't risk your license. Don't become another statistic. Know your numbers and check them correctly. Because the most vital safety feature in your car isn't an airbag. It's 4 patches of properly maintained rubber. Make sure yours are safe.